Rev up your engines! Welcome to a special episode of the Scotty Kilmer channel, where I'm thanking all you viewers for giving me 2 million subscribers. And I'm celebrating this by giving away the actual camera that I used in making my YouTube videos that got me my first 1 million subscribers. It still works perfectly fine. I'm not going to give away something that doesn't work. Even though I got my 2 millionth subscriber, I haven't changed at all. I'm still using my 51 years of fixing cars to help everyone in the world with their car problems. Now, people who've known me for decades say, "Gee, Scotty, it's weird, you really haven't changed at all." But my wife says to that, "Yeah, I've been married to him for 40 years, and he still hasn't changed. I'm waiting." Now, she may be only half joking. I don't know which half. I'm still around. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not changing anything other than if I can figure better ways of helping people out, I'll try that. Because I'm one of those skip a generation people. I take after my grandfather, who was also a mechanic. And my father, who ran the Texaco gas station that I learned in, always said about my grandfather, "Gee, Dad, you're not charging people enough money for the work you do fixing their cars." You see, my grandfather liked helping out people too. Both my father and my grandfather have passed away, but I can only imagine what my father would think of what I'm doing now, and that I'm helping out millions of people and I'm not charging anything at all. Well, at least here on YouTube. Yes, I do charge my customers when I work on their car as a professional mechanic, but I'm giving all the information out, and if you want to use it yourself and fix your own car, it costs you nothing to watch my YouTube videos here. And thanks to YouTube, I can share this stuff worldwide with everybody. I'm answering your questions live. You got a phone? You can ask me a question anywhere on the planet. YouTube is everywhere. Well, I guess not in China. You can't ask me a question. I remember decades ago at my father's gas station, one customer got mad and went away because my grandfather told him the truth about his car, which was an absolute pile of junk. It really wasn't worth fixing, and it made the guy mad. Well, my grandfather didn't care. He told people the truth about stuff. He thought, hey, the guy shouldn't sink $500 into a car that's worth $100. And back then, $500 was a lot of money because people were making, 75 cents an hour. This is the actual camera that I used when I got my first 1 million subscribers. Oh, about 200 million views. It was over $1,000 when it was new. It still works perfectly fine. I have a lot of backup cameras now because I don't want to have something mess up because my camera stops working. So I've got actually a set of the newer ones of this. They don't make this particular one anymore. If they did, I probably would have continued to buy it, but they keep putting upgrades into them, and I don't particularly need all those fancy upgrades because I'm talking about car repair. I'm not making horror movies. Now, obviously, I had a lot of luck with this camera. It got me going in the YouTube business, and hey, you win it, maybe it'll get you going. You never know. I'm not a superstitious person, and I'm also not a real collector. I believe that you come into the earth with nothing and you leave it with nothing. There is really no point in collecting anything other than ideas. Someone's going to be able to put their ideas into motion with it. Who knows what will happen? The camera itself is perfect technology. It was made in Japan, but it's got a German lens. Top quality. I loved using it, so I'm going to pass it on to one of the fans here. Who knows? One day it might be a historical artifact when I pass away. And just like I like passing my advice on that I've learned for 51 years, what the heck, I'll pass my camera on too. And to have a chance to win my actual camera, just place a clean, non-offensive comment on the YouTube comments below. And the winner will be chosen randomly by computer to win the actual camera that got me my first 1 million subscribers and first 200 million views. And in this case, batteries are included. I got 2 big battery packs that I just charged up, so when I send it away, it'll be ready to go. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.